Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Atomy credit card, a card that's been showing up in online ads and social media in 2025. Is it worth getting or should you stay away? Let's take a look. The Atomy credit card claims to offer instant approval, no credit check, and cash rewards. It's marketed as a beginner-friendly card even for people with bad or no credit history. Pros: fast application process, no hard credit pull, may help build your credit over time, some cashback on basic purchases. Cons: very limited information about the issuing bank or financial institution, no clear terms for interest rates or fees, website lacks trust pages, reviews, or full transparency, unclear support system or customer service. These red flags raise concerns about whether Atomy is a real credit product or just another financial trap. While the idea of an easy approval card sounds good, Atomy does not provide enough clear information to fully trust it. There are safer options with verified banks that also help you build credit. If you're considering Atomy, do deep research and read the fine print first. If this video helped you out, give it a like, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.